Okay, this is the Properties of Waters lab. You should have already read and annotated the short reading, and then let's get started. So it says to fill the beaker with 100 milliliters of water and then add your vegetable oil. So that has been done here. We have 100 milliliters of water and 50 milliliters of vegetable oil that is sitting on top. And then you need to draw what that looks like here, which would be, like a line, and then label where the oil and the water is in your beaker. And then answer the following questions. Then what I'm going to do is add some ice and see what happens. Okay, so here's my ice. My little pieces got stuck together. So I'm going to take them out of the cup. And I made the ice blue so that it could maybe be a little easier. All right. So we'll put them in and see what happens. I'm going to lift this up so we can see a little bit better. Okay, so what happened to the ice? Okay, and they say to watch it for a couple minutes, but oh, it's happening already. There we go. That's cool. Look at that. So what is going on? I'm sorry that my hand is shaking. All right, so there we go. My paper towel. Okay, so we're observing the ice as it starts to melt, and then you can answer the 3 questions at the bottom of the page. For the next part, we have a second beaker of water, and then what I did is I drew a line at the bottom of my paper towel strips, and I'm going to put them in the different beakers. We'll say this is the oil water beaker, and then that's just the water beaker. And we are going to see what happens. And we are observing for capillary action. Okay, so I have my paper towels taped to this. And what we're going to do is we are going to just put the tips into the water and see what happens. All right. There's in just the water. Here is with the oil in the water. Sorry. Okay. Okay, we'll check back in a couple minutes. All right, so it's been a couple minutes, and here is the oil in the water. And then here is just the regular water. So this is with the paper towel just sticking in the oil layer, and then this one goes to the water. This one does not touch the water, and that one does. So you should be able to answer the 2 questions, and then go on to the 3 reflection questions after that. All right, that's it.